Hello students, welcome to grammar class, video 2 of lesson 1, the sentence. We already studied what a sentence is, isn't it? Sentence is a group of words which should be arranged in correct order in order to form a meaningful one, that we already studied. Then we also studied different types of sentences. Which are they? We studied there are 4 types of sentences: declarative, assertive, otherwise called as assertive. Then we studied imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. These are some of the topics that we studied in the last video. Then interrogative sentences can be divided into yes or no questions, WH questions, that also we studied. Then we studied subject and predicate are the 2 parts of sentence, and how to find out the subject and predicate, that also we studied. Now our next topic, phrases and clause, page number 9. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. Okay, a phrase means it's a group of words that is not sensible actually. 2 or 3 words will be joined together and it is not completely sensible, but a small or a small bit of meaning will be there if that group of words belongs to phrase. Now see the example. In the village. If you ask if there is any meaning, it's okay, it has some sense, but it's not a complete one, is it? In the village, what in the village, it's not clear. At the door. So broken words, group of words which does not have any particular subject or which does not have any verb forms, or it's not a sensible one but a small very little meaning. Those type of words are called as phrases. So what we studied, phrases are group of words that does not have a complete sense. It is sensible but not a complete meaning. Those type of words are called as phrases. Now what is a clause? A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. It may or may not make complete sense. So a clause is a group of words which has a subject as well as a verb. Okay, so subject and verb will be there for a clause. And it may or may not make complete sense. Sometimes it will be sensible or sometimes it may not be. But it will always have a subject and a verb. She is writing. She is writing what? It's not clear, but still it seems to be sensible. As it has a subject, she, and verb is. The boy is going. The boy, subject, is going, verb. Here also is writing, verb. So a subject and verb will be there for a clause. Now let's do some exercises in the textbook. See page number 9. I'll just read out once again. A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. It does not have a subject and a verb. See the example, across the road, of great importance. Then a phrase does not convey complete sense. It does not have a subject and a verb. Example is also given in the textbook. Children, see page number 10. In the garden, pros and cons. Pros and cons means merits and demerits. In front of, at the village, in spite of, on the chair, all these are phrases. And these things, or this group of words, does not have any subject or predicate. Now clause. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb and is usually a part of a sentence. It may or may not make complete sense. As I said, it will have a subject and a verb, and it's usually a part of a sentence. Then exercise G. Read the following carefully and state whether the group of words written in bold in each sentence is a clause or a phrase. She left the house at noon. At noon. What is that? At noon. It's a phrase, is it? Then 2 and 3, you do it by yourself. Then fourth one, in spite of ill health, she attended the party. She attended the party. It has a subject as well as a verb. So, it is a clause. 5 and 6 you do by yourself. We will discuss the answers in the Google Meet. Now, exercise H. Match the group of words given in column A with those in column B. Write them in the space given below. You will also find it interesting to combine one group of words in column A with different group of words in column B to form meaningful sentences. So, whichever seems to be meaningful, you can take that. So, first one I will just help you. She found a small bag in the park. Okay, whichever you take, it should be sensible, that's all. Apart from chocolates, she likes to eat cookies. Okay, so 3, 4, 5 and 6 you do, and we will discuss the answers in the Google Meet. Now, what did we study? We studied that phrase, what a phrase is and what a clause is. A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. It will not have a subject or a predicate. That means both will not be there, subject or predicate, but in the sense it will be a broken combination of words, and sometimes it will be sensible, but sometimes it will not. Then a clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. It may or may not make complete sense. So, what is the difference between a clause and a phrase? A clause will have a subject and a verb. Verb is a part of predicate, that you know. Okay, but in phrase there will not be any subject or any other predicates. Can you see any proper subjects or predicates? No. But here in clause it will have subject and predicate. So, she is writing, the boy is going. I hope you understood the topic.